Problem says Mark is going to ship some gifts to family members and he's considering two shipping companies. The first shipping company charges a $19 fee to ship a medium box plus an additional dollar per pound. A second shipping company charges $5 for the same size box plus an additional $2 per pound. At a certain weight, the two shipping methods will cost the same amount. How much will it cost? What is that weight? So we're going to write an equation to model each scenario. So for the shipping company 1, it gives us our information that it's $19 to ship a medium box plus an additional dollar per pound. So we're going to let the total cost be our first part. So y is equal to, and then it tells us there's a fee of $19. So it's going to be 19 plus an additional fee of $1 per pound. And we know that the number of pounds is x. So I'm going to say it's plus 1x. Now my second shipping company we're also going to let that we have, it says the second shipping company charges $5 for the same size box plus an additional $2 per pound. So we're going to use y as the cost because we know that the two costs will be the same amount. So I'm also going to use y equals, then it tells me that it's $5 for the same size box, so it's going to be 5 plus an additional $2 per pound. So since it's $2 per pound and x is the number of pounds, I can say it's plus 2x. Now to solve, we have to use substitution. However, we should see that y is by itself for both equations. So I can easily use the substitution method to solve. So since we have that y is by itself in both equations, I'm going to take this value of y, so this whole 5 plus 2x, and plug it in for y over here. So my equation becomes 5 plus 2x is equal to 19 plus 1x. Now if I solve like I would for any other equation, I would have to bring all the x's to one side, so I'm going to subtract x from both sides. So this cancels, so I get 5 plus x equals 19. And then I'd have to subtract 5 from both sides to get the x totally by itself. So I would get x is equal to 14. Now I'm going to take this value of 14 and plug it in for x in our original equation. So when I do that, it becomes y equals 5 plus 2 times that value of x, which is 14. So this gives you that you have y equals 5 plus 28, so y is equal to 33. Now using this information, we can put this back in context. This means that since we have that x is 14, and we know that it's x is the number of pounds, we can say that the box was 14 pounds, and we also know that the cost is that value of y, which we have is 33. So the box was 14 pounds and cost $33 as our final solution.